Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seeker Sub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about various hiring from big companies. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please share this video with your friends as well. The first hiring is from Adani guys. Adani is hiring for graduate engineer trainee. Here you can see the location they are hiring for Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. You can read the responsibilities here. So API development, business logic implementation, API layer creation, technical expertise, catching and performance optimization, code and design reviews. This is all about the role guys. So if you are selected for this role, you have to do these type of work: documentation, collaboration and teamwork, technology improvement. Like you will work on all these. So they are hiring for lead API engineer, specialist API engineering as well. So key stakeholders or vendors, and qualification they mentioned is BE btech in computer science, engineering or IT. Work experience they didn't mention, only freshers are eligible for this opportunity. They didn't say whether 24, 25, 26 hiring for this, but if you are a fresher from 24, 25, 26, you can apply for this opportunity. Just give it a try. Click on this apply now button. You will be redirected here. Just give your email address and click on next. Fill the necessary details and you will be submitted for this opportunity. And another hiring is from Teleperformance. You know this company very well. This is one of a leading company in Hyderabad. They are hiring for quality analyst. Here you can see the description of role: and information security, good analytical skills, ability to do multitasking, ability to work well in promote and team environment, people management skills, good communication skills are required, and customer service, good analytical skills, must be very good with data representation, must be very good in MS Excel. If you had a good knowledge on MS Excel, you can apply for this opportunity. For this opportunity, even experienced can do apply. Just click on this apply now button and fill your first name, last name, email, phone number, additional information. Here just upload your resume and click on apply now button. You will be applied for this opportunity. Here you can see this is a quality analyst hiring. Another hiring is from Birlasoft guys. There are only 7 hours left. If you are looking for an internship, non-engineering graduates can apply for this opportunity. Non-engineering in the sense, if you are from a BSc, IT, CS, Max or BCA with programming language, you can apply for this opportunity. Birlasoft is one of a leading company, and here you can see they are hiring for Pune, Hyderabad and Noida. This is a big off-campus hiring. If you are a non-engineering graduate, don't miss this chance. And CTC they mentioned is 18,000 per month. If you want to read more about this job summary, you can read. Here you can see strong understanding of programming fundamentals like Python, Java, C++, Angular, React. If you have a good knowledge on this, you can apply for this. Don't miss this opportunity. And percentage criteria also they mentioned 60% overall education. Year of graduation is 2026 only. These are the eligibility streams. And just click on this apply now button. You have to create a superset account. If you had a one, you can directly apply for this opportunity. Another hiring is from EdgeVerve guys. You know EdgeVerve is a company of infosys. They are again hiring for system engineer role. No, they are hiring for Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai and Pune regions. So if you are the one who are from a 25, 26, you can apply for this job. Here also they didn't mention any pass out here. Previously they hide for this role only. So I'm thinking like if you are from a 25, 26, you can try for this opportunity as well. Just give your email address, just give your password and click on sign in. If you had already account, you can sign in. If you don't have an account, just create don't have an account. Here read the privacy policies and click on agree. Now you have to create your account by giving your email address, password and re-enter your password and some of the security questions as well. So try to apply for this opportunity if you are from a BSc, BCA, because this is a one of a great hiring from a Birlasoft and only 7 hours is there. Please apply for this opportunity as soon as possible and share this opportunity with your friends as well. So this is all about these hirings guys, and thank you for watching this video. As I said earlier, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.